what's up guys? Edgar Guerrero from Midway Chevrolet on 23rd Avenue and Bell Road. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone to Apple Carplay wirelessly. So you don't need this cable if you have a 2022 Chevy Silverado. Any older models, you will need that cable. So let's go to the infotainment system really quick. Apple Carplay is the icon that we're going to press. It's going to ask to connect to phone. We're going to do that. Now you got to go to your phone and go to your settings. My Chevrolet should pop up, and make sure you turn on your Bluetooth. We are going to press My Chevrolet on the device. We're going to pair it if and only if the numbers match. So we're going to go ahead and pair. They do in this case. We're going to allow it to sync our contacts and everything else. There's a disclaimer. Obviously, we got to press continue to be able to use this feature. So now it's connecting to our phone. Now you know the apps are there. You can swipe left and right and check out all the apps and all the information that you have on your phone. So drive safe, guys. Put the phone away. You don't need it anymore. You can control calls. You can answer. You can hang up calls through the control panel here on your steering wheel. You can turn up the volume. You can change tracks. You can also use Siri or any other features on your iPhone. And that's a very easy way to connect your iPhone wirelessly to the new Chevy Silverado 2022. Thank you for watching this video. Any other videos you want to watch, comment below.